Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Today we will look at false ceiling designs for living room. Ceilings are no longer just a roof over your head. Decoration has found its way up to ceiling for a living room. That's pretty to look at from every angle. We bring you false ceiling design ideas that will transform the look of your living space. Your home is a reflection of your personality. The aesthetics and decor reflect your style too. Everything from walls to the color and even the ceiling has to be in sync to be an extension of your personality. Taking care of all aspects of decor but losing out on decorating the ceiling makes the room strangely incohesive, unfinished and scattered. False ceilings are often an overthought, either never bothered with or added to the room in a way that does not blend with the decor. Their choice and installation must be carefully thought, though, to get the best out of your home aesthetics and decor. Living room false ceiling designs, when cleverly done, can take care of many things. It can help in conserving energy, reduce wastage too. It can even enhance and amplify the sound of a room. False ceiling minimizes the need for air conditioning, create different looks for the space and so much more. The trick to getting them right is good planning and great sense of aesthetics. False ceilings are the upper interior of any room, one that you would think many wouldn't gaze upon. But you may be wrong, because the coziness and warmth of a space is as much about the upper wall as it is about the four walls that surround it. Most rooms in a home have plain concrete ceilings, but nowadays many are experimenting with the false ones. Intricacy of such false ceilings for living room designs may vary. Modern home interiors work well with geometrical lines and curves, while traditional home interiors work with molding and columns. While ceiling designs need as much structural planning and architectural inputs, it does help to know the intricacies and details so you get something you really want that will grace your home for years. The space of the room which you will be building the false ceiling for should be thought of as well to ensure you don't go wrong with the proportion and dimensions. Understand the proportion and tailor design accordingly. The designs of room varies from one space to another. What work in the living room may not work for the bedroom and so forth. Most times, living room designs and dining room and bedroom need intricacy in ceiling designs because they are either place for family get-togethers or relaxations. Living room may require more niches and varied lightings as opposed to bedrooms where the needs are limited. It makes sense to consider the kind of rooms and its specific need before designing one. Simple false ceiling designs for living room cannot be the same as other rooms. You need to decide the style before planning ceiling designs. Height of it matters on where it is going to be fixed. In living room, for example, dropped undulated ceilings with recessed lights lend drama. Texturing and contours look beautiful in this space. In bedroom, false ceiling cannot be too low or too intricate, or it can even make the room stressful. Also check for the area whether you want it to be covered, recessed or exposed and plan the design accordingly. Understand the lighting position before you plan. Layered lighting work wonderful for a varied effect. Their lighting is crucial when deciding false ceilings and how they can be contoured. Decide well in advance and about how you may want to position your ceiling lights. You can choose 3 different varieties of lighting and arrange them according to space usage. Or you can also design your false ceiling design first and then place lights after. Whether you want to do lighting is a crucial component of false ceilings and can make or break their look. They diffuse and distribute lights, and this improves energy efficiency overall. For a small area lightings, especially done with POP ceiling designs for living room, a mix of spot fixtures and co-lighting work just as well. Ceilings are different in different homes. While some are high, others are low. This may even vary from one room to the other. Ceiling cannot be affixed with false ceilings, instead can be painted with or lent some textural elements. High ceilings with high wooden ceilings designs for living room offer more scope to experiment and work around with. The color of living room false ceilings, including the wall, affect the look of the home. Dark wooden false ceiling lend a regal effect. Interior can be brightened up, textured and layered with the right ceiling colors, and it does not have to be white. Dark color for large rooms make the room appear cozier, while light colors go best with small rooms. The paint finish also matters, as does the way color works with lighting and the room texture. Whether matte or glossy, experiment with the color and sheen to get a room that works well with the interior. One of the least looked aspect of ceiling designs are acoustics. Living room ceilings must be designed to absorb sound and noise. Since conversation and music will matter especially in spaces like the living room, acoustics should be factored in to enhance the sound or distribute it evenly. For high ceiling rooms, surround sound by paneling the ceiling and adjusting sound input works well. Textured ceiling for living rooms make for interesting focal points. Ceiling can be made central features of rooms and eye-catching by adding different architectural elements such as beadwork, board, artwork, and fox finishes. They enhance the look as well as act as a preference point around which the living room interiors can be worked around. Electricity and other services lines have easy access. False ceiling often need to be fixed with AC pipings, sprinklers, smoke detectors. The constant work involved with them may cause damage if alternative arrangements haven't been factored in. Plan your false ceiling designs in such a way that there is no such hampering of any services or repair work. Skylights are an interesting interior design features for living rooms. They can be created out of any shape, placed at a strategic point and let in plenty of natural lights, thus avoiding the use of artificial lights. Add a skylight over a water body in the center of the room or even over the stairs. There's much to experiment with and learn from. Skylights can be textured or multiple levels, affixed with frosted or plain glass. They add a different dimension to living rooms. Ceilings can be designed with different shapes and elements. Generally, rectangular ones are most popular, but circular shapes work just as well. Curves and circulars are of softness and flow to the overall look, suitable for traditionally designed homes. Geometric designs suit modern or minimalist homes. Decide this based on your budget and other factors. False ceiling can be designed with a whole host of material, right from gypsum to wood and plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is used in a variety of residential and commercial roofing applications. It is maintenance free, malleable to various designs and very durable. Gypsum board, on the other hand, provide thermal sound insulations, is lightweight and also provide good acoustics. Wooden panels are textured, easy to install, but can be expensive and require additional maintenance. Fiber and glass are rarely used, but they are tough, resistant to fire, and looks good. Other materials such as fabric, metals, and PVC are new and slowly gaining a foothold. Design and use of false ceilings. False ceiling cannot be an afterthought. Their choice and look will impact the design and interior of your entire home. Making a good choice is inevitable, especially if you want to be left with a ceiling that will illuminate and brighten up your space. Some careful thought, a good deal of imagination and sound choices can help you achieve this. So friends, hope you like this video, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decorations. Alternatively, you can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and Pinterest. All the links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can also download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. So once again, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe us for more such videos. And we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.